Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix too many requests error in Outlook and Hotmail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Sometimes you may also see alternate errors like please retry with a different device, use a VPN, or use another authentication method to sign in. The first thing you should try is verifying your network. Most people get success after changing the Wi-Fi network on a desktop or PC. You can try using your home or office Wi-Fi, or even connect your computer to a mobile hotspot to check if the sign-in error too many requests gets fixed quickly. On Mac, you can change Wi-Fi from the control center, and Windows users can do this from the bottom right network icon on the taskbar. Now, let's move on to the first solution, which is deleting third-party cookies from your browser. If you're on Google Chrome, click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner and go to Settings. From the left-hand side, choose Privacy and Security, then select Third-Party Cookies. Next, click on the See All Site Data and Permissions option. In the search bar at the top, type Outlook and delete the results related to Outlook subdomain cookies. Also, type Microsoft and delete the cookies associated with the Microsoft website. Once you've done that, try signing in again to see if the issue is resolved. If not, the second solution is to check for third-party extensions that might be interfering. Go to the Extensions option in Chrome and disable all of them. Then try logging in again to see if the error is gone. If you're still facing the problem, the third solution is to use a VPN. You can try any free or paid VPN to fix this issue quickly. Switching your virtual location often helps bypass Microsoft's security filters. After following these steps allows you to fix login errors and sign in to Outlook and Microsoft products successfully. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix too many requests error in Outlook and Hotmail. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.